really it kind of defines who I am. Like my parents met here, my grandparents went here, my brother went here, all my family's gone here except for one cousin, and we still love her. But I mean, it's my family. I mean, I've got people on the cheer squad, people on the pom squad. I've got Becky, I've got Lindsay, Sally, I've got Dave, I've got just he and his wife. They really open their home up to us, and just they're always there at the drop of a hat. Just really want to miss the family aspect of it, and then the Pistol Pete Brotherhood. I'm still a part of that, but like it's just going to be a change from being like the big dog on campus to like a has-been big dog, and I'm just going to be able to miss seeing all my friends and considering my family, and that's what I'm going to miss most.